Ever wish you could do two things at once on your iPad, like easily comparing notes while watching a video? Well, with this simple trick, you'll be multitasking like a pro. Welcome to Split View. First, open the first app you want to use, let's say your Notes app. Now, from the bottom of your screen, gently swipe up to reveal the dock at the bottom. This is where your frequently used apps live. Locate the second app you want to use, perhaps Safari for web browsing, or maybe your email. Don't forget to close the dock by swiping up to see your first app fully. Now, long press the second app's icon until the icon appears to detach from the dock. Then, without letting go, drag it towards the right or left edge of the screen. A dark divider line will appear. Release the app at the edge to create a 50/50th split, or position it further or closer to the other app to adjust the screen space for each app according to your needs. Voila! Both apps are now running side by side. You can interact with either app seamlessly. To make an app full screen, drag the divider line to the edge you want the other app to be closed at. Tap the horizontal bar at the top, and either choose Close or Replace to add another app. You're well on your way to using Split View. Now go forth and conquer your to-do list, all while learning on your iPad. Remember to like this video and subscribe because you're now an iPad Pro.